how to get free DoorDash food. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can get free DoorDash food, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, while DoorDash might not completely offer you free food, you can actually get likely 50% or 70 or sometimes even 90% of the discount. One way to get a discount is to simply create a new account and refer a friend. You can earn a $5 credit for each friend who signs up and places an order of $20 or more using your referral link, and each friend who uses your link will also get $5 off their order. You can also get a $10 credit to use toward foods. Now you can also actually get a free trial. You can a free 30-day trial of Dash Pass, by the way, which gives you free delivery for a qualifying order of over $12. Then you can also sign up for free delivery. Now if you have gift card, you might always want to look out for gift cards. You might also always want to look out for the current offers that they are providing, and then you'll be able to get some discount. This way you can get free DoorDash food. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.